In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. Then scroll all the way down, hit Font here, and select the best one for you. Following that, just click on any font style, hit Free or buy it if you like, and last but not least, select Apply. As you can see, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default style, you can access the same options, Display and Brightness, in Settings, and then after scrolling down, hit Font Settings here. Then tap on Default Font and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!